Like it's so small. Hey, what's up, guys? So today I'm on my friend's CBR 500R, and she let me borrow it, so that's pretty cool of her. She knows I have no bike, and yeah, she said go for a ride. I'm like, alright. Yeah, so we got this yesterday for her. We went all the way to Ottawa. It's her first bike too, and it's not bad. I like it. Man, this bike is super light. Engine braking is pretty good on this. This bike is super low because it's been lowered by the previous owner. She was really tiny, so I must look so weird on this bike. But yo, it's a little fun bike. 500, not bad. Still got enough power for in the city, I guess. Once again, thank you for letting me borrow your bike today. I promise I'll take good care of it. Man, I really wish I still had my bike. Because I still had my bike, we could have rode together, me and my friend, and I could have, you know, because her exam is next week, so I could have prepared her for exam. So yeah. Anyway, she got this. She's a pretty good rider. I'm sure she'll pass on her first try. Fuck, they're not home. This is not good.